Buddy Larry from MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach here, and today I want to show you this brand new listing of a 2023 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. This is a one-owner boat. It only has 24 hours on it. It's been dry stored its entire life, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Starting with the power on the transom, we've got twin Mercury V8 300 horsepower engines with joystick piloting, which is a great feature. This boat has the optional portside live well at the transom, and of course in the leaning post we've got an additional live well, a freshwater sink with pull-out shower. There's also another one at the transom. It's a great boat for live bait fishing here in Northeast Florida, having those two live wells. At the helm you can see we've got a Simrad display with our Mercury vessel view and VHF radio right there on the dash at your fingertips. The joystick piloting controls, which also include a built-in autopilot, and skyhook, which is a virtual anchor when you need an extra set of hands. As we move forward to the bow, we're going to check out the expansive seating, starting with this huge sun lounger here that has a tremendous amount of storage underneath, as you can see in the pictures within this link. And then we've got some great bow seating up front and a spot for a table, which this boat does have. Another couple notable options: this boat does have the optional bow shade that goes up manually and the optional stern shade as well. We've got a windshield wiper here, windshield vent, lots of creature comforts. Of course, Boston Whaler's unsinkable. It is an absolutely gorgeous 280 Outrage. Give me a call at 904-545-5310. Thank you.